Hey, classy people, welcome back to the channel. We are starting a new series called It Might Not Be Pretty, but It's Organized. That's right. Remember last year I told you guys I had certain parts of my house that I wanted to organize and I never got to it, but we're doing it this year, okay? We're going to do it a little bit at a time. And today we are doing 2 places. Well, I'm going to show you 2 places. Tonight I did the closet right here, the coat closet. Oh boy, let's take a look at what it looked like before.
Man, it's junky on the outside. Okay, let's prepare yourself. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, y'all.
Now let's take a look at what it looks like now. I think that's an improvement. I got rid of some coats. Yes, I did. I know I got a lot of coats. And some of these are my husband's. Some of them are mine. The majority of them is mine, y'all. I'm going to tell you. Okay, this closet is very oddly shaped. This is under the steps. So what is actually over here in this corner is not important, but we've got an actual outdoor tent in here. Plus we've got 4 tables in here. All right. So, and then this is some outdoor fabric. That doesn't matter. My broom is right here, but all of this right here is actual coats. Under here is some party supplies like chair covers that I can't get rid of. I may put it in a container, maybe not. Right now it's in a box. That's why this is called It May Not Be Pretty, but It's Organized. And that's really what matters. Functionality. What did I do up here? I took what was up here, which was a bunch of my outdoor wreaths that I put on my front door. I took those down and I actually put 3 baskets. This is just a leaf bag because now we can't put our leaves in plastic at the street anymore. We have to put them in bags. So I just need to leave that right there so I can remember, see it, because I'm afraid if I put it in the garage, I may not be able to remember where I put it. So what did I put in here? This is a flashlight, a pump for your car tire, and 2 umbrellas. What's in here? We have got actually parts for the vacuum, some lavender air spray, fabric, like house spray. I love this stuff. It smells so good. Lavender room spray. And this one, I love this one too. This Febreze wood. And just the attachments to my shark back. And right here is my, those bags that you get, like shopping bags. I keep these in here because these are my larger ones that I use for reselling. When I have to go to the post office and mail packages, I put those there. So I need them to stay in here. So all those extra ones, I had a bunch hanging right here. And I'm going to put them in my car. I'm going to show you those. Now, what did I put right here? I put a mirror right here. Yeah. This makes sense. Okay. All right. Check out my fit. I got my little Swiffer here. I got my other one. And I put some little Downy scent beads in a little sheer little bag. So yeah, it already smells good in the closet. That's what I want. My steam vac is in there too. That really doesn't matter. And that's, just what that really can go in the garage. This last thing I got to show y'all. All right. You can buy in pieces for this type of white wire shelving. This is like, a builder grade shelving that is in houses. Okay. You can buy a plastic pieces that slide onto this. I don't have it tonight. And this is super annoying when I hang things here and it slides off on the floor. So all I did was I took 2 zip ties and put one and there. Put them real tight, real snug, clip the ends off, and there, it can't go past that point. That will suffice until I buy the little plastic piece. Now, what did I get rid of to enable me to be able to have space in that closet? Because y'all saw how them coats were crammed on top of each other. I'm getting rid of 1, 2, 3, 5 coats and a blanket. Let me show you what this is, okay? This right here is actually the reefs that I had just stuffed up there on the shelf. I actually put them in the larger shopping bags. So all of them are in a bag. They're not going to get damaged. They're not going to get messed up. And I'm going to stack them on top of each other and sit them in the corner on top of the tables, and they will be out of the way. See? Stacked in the corner, out the way. The next thing is this right here. This is obviously a scraper. This scraper really needs to be in my car. Why isn't it in the closet? Okay. And I'm going to put one in my car, and the other one I'm going to make my husband put probably in his truck, or maybe mainly his truck, because that's what he drives every day. And then these are just other shopping bags for other specific stores. I'm going to leave these in my car because I'm always getting to Aldi and not having a freaking bag. And I just joined Walmart Plus. Y'all don't know. I'll tell you about that in a different video. But they have scan and go just like Sam's Club now. So I definitely would like to have bags for that. And this thing right here is pretty sure it's going to go in my car for when I have to go to the post office as well.
Good morning. Happy Saturday, classy people. I'm doing a little change around in the green room. What I am realizing about this room is that, you know, I used to record in here. Now I'm trying to kind of make it be my craft room / where I store my accessories, because I have quite a bit of jewelry and handbags. So it's just messy. I don't even come in here and make anything. I don't come in here just to get my stuff and wear it and get out, because it's just so messy. I think I have too much furniture in here, and I'm just not kind of utilizing the space like I properly should. So because I still have craft stuff stored in here in addition to my accessories. So if you know, you remember this shelf, okay? This shelf was behind me and it had the coupon stuff on it. Now it has handbags and jewelry. I went to the Goodwill and I actually put this shelf right here, which it's kind of an odd setup, and it just looks so junky with all those handbags on it. It just looks real junky. And then I turned around and I got this thing right here, this little cubicle thing, and I got pocketbooks and all that, scarves. That's just scarves and scarves right there. I got my plant right there. This is craft stuff right here. I know it's super messy. My crickets right there. And then here we have this shelf. Oh, right now it's got fabric and fabric on it. And I took one of the shelves out right there. I had shades and bracelets over there. That's shades right there. And then this is jewelry and, like, you know, it's just a mess, okay? It's a mess. It's just team too much.
Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Now, first of all, we're coming in the front door or the bedroom door. You know, this is the green room, y'all. Behind the door, I decided to hang some handbags. I got a lot of handbags. So then I decided to hang this little rack, and I've got handbags hanging there. Here I have my desk. I changed out my chair. Okay. And here we neatened up the hats. We actually consolidated some hats, got rid of some hats. That's great. This next idea I got from my beautiful friend, Angela of AngelasFashionMix. If you're not following her, I will link her channel below. She has the great idea of displaying her hats or storing her hats on the closet door inside. So what I did, I purchased these command hooks. They are clear. 6 in a pack. They were $3.98 at my Walmart. So this is what they look like out of the pack. That's upside down. Okay, so it's going to hook right here. I'm going to put them on the inside of the prayer closet. And I am going to put the binder clip on the back of the hat in case it leaves a print, but I don't think it will. And then you're going to use that to hang your hat. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, next, And here is the prayer closet door with the hats hung. Great, great, great. This is the planner sticker cart. It is what it is. It's a little neater, but not too much. That's my calendar. Haven't been utilizing it like I should, but I'm doing better in 2024. Okay, so this, I didn't do much difference to this. I just added belts. I put the belts in something different. This is pretty much like different gloves and ear warmers. That's what's in here. And what did I do? I put this over here. This has got earrings in it. This has all my little like cloths for my shades and even little wipes and stuff. Clean my glasses. And what did I put down here? Here is belts. Here is my travel selling stuff when I do a vending show. I put the earrings over here. These were on my desk, and one of the earring trees, I just took the earrings off of it. So I've got some on here, and I've got some here that spins around. And bracelets, necklaces there, couple of purses there. This is totally different. This had handbags on it. I put some boots at the top, one of my vintage hats I'm not getting rid of. And I added, these are little lights from the Dollar Tree. I already had those there. But I put a few necklaces, a few bracelets, some more bracelets, one of my vintage hats, another mirror. This is one of my mirrors I use when I sail. So that way, when I get ready to put my shades on, I can take a peek, see what I look like. All right, down here, shades. More shades. Eyewear. More eyewear. The cases for the eyewear. And down here is wallets, little change purses, more wallets, change purses, purse organizers, and my little travel thing. So that stuff has to stay down there. I got a long pair of boots right here and scarves. I didn't really change this right here. This is pretty much the same. Yeah, necklaces. Just one vintage hat here instead of 12,000 piled on top, looking stupid. Okay, I left the silver necklaces there. Here, this is totally different. I put handbags. Fabric has to stay down there. I can't get rid of my fabric. All right, so we got brown purses, black purses. Over here, this is different. I put that is my backdrop. Right there. It's just standing right there. He's chilling. Okay. This right here is my sewing machine. I can get over here now and grab a handbag. You know, it ain't that they not little small items. Functionality is the key. This is going to function much better for me. And aesthetically, I think it looks a little better. It doesn't look quite as messy. It looks a little more organized. Okay. So what do we do over here on this table? I actually did me a little pamper me station, okay? Yeah, I took quite a few of my lipsticks, lip glosses, and put them over here. And then I made me a nail polish station. All right, so all my nail polishes, well, not all of them. This is a select few that could fit on the rack. All right, now, lip glosses. Lip stuff there. Nail dryer there. And got me some nail polish remover, cotton balls in a Bath and Body cleaned out candle holder. We got some little cotton rounds right there. We got my little lit up mirror. Okay. And she does two sides. Now, she folds down. And that's my little face roller. I said, I could do me something in here, do me a little pamper. If I wanted to, I could roll the chair over here and sit over here. I can put little things in here. My bonus daughter gave me this. I think it's so pretty. She brings a little sparkle everywhere she goes, honey. Yes, I do. All right, so I got my travel Kleenex in here, and I got me some simple face wipes. So if I want to wipe my face off, if I'm sitting here watching TV, there it is. Got my little remotes. And this is still can be converted to my sewing station. All I got to do is take my sewing machine, put it right there, plug it in, and we good to go. Still got my sewing stuff right here. Still got my little bins underneath. And then on the back of the prayer closet is just my belts. Well, some of my belts. Well, classy people, do you feel inspired to go into your home and tackle those areas of your home that may not be pretty, but at least it will be organized? Because the main thing is functionality. We need our homes to be functioning for who lives there, okay? I really don't care about it looking aesthetically pleasing to someone else's liking. It needs to function for me. As you can tell, I'm a collector of pretty things. And hell, my husband is too. He likes collecting stuff too. We like to have multiples of things because we are one of those folks we like options, okay? I like options. So what I'm going to start doing with all those coats that y'all seen downstairs, I wore a coat today because I had a light purple jumpsuit on today. So I wore a purple raincoat. So what I'm going to try to do, I'm going to try to make sure that I get my coats worn by kind of formulating my outfit to coordinate with my coats, because that's really why I have so many coats. I've always been a lover of coats, and this is probably the most I've ever owned. So it is what it is, y'all. I purged some coats. Y'all seen, I got rid of some stuff. So I'm quite proud of myself. But I'm going to have to implement some rules to myself. I'm going to have to discipline myself in the sense of, if I bring something in, I'm going to have to give something out. Whether it be giving it to someone, one of my kids, or, putting it in a live sale to resell it, or just donate it to Goodwill. I'm going to have to do something like that just to keep myself from being overrun. Because as you can see, I don't need another black pocketbook. But I got one downstairs that I bought yesterday. And I was like, this pocketbook is cute. I may keep it and trade out one of y'all girls. You might have to go on the chopping block. The pocketbooks are like, no, don't trade us. All right, you all, that is it. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your week. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you can go along with me on this. It may not be pretty, but it's organized. And I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye-bye.